Hello, we're going to be reflecting shapes in the x and y axis today. So I'm going to reflect this shape in the x axis first. This horizontal one is the x axis and the y axis is the vertical one. So the first thing we want to do is to put our tracing paper on our x axis, which is our mirror line. You must always put your mirror line, draw your mirror line on your tracing paper like so, because I'm projecting this on the screen. I'll use a pen, but we are meant to use a pencil when we're drawing. Okay, so the next thing, after you've drawn your mirror line, whether it's the x-axis or y-axis or whichever mirror line you have, after drawing it on your tracing paper, you draw the shape itself as well. So you draw it that way with a pencil. Like I said, I'm using a pen because I have to project this on the screen. And now you make sure when you flip, reflection is all about flipping, you want to press down your mirror line or your reflection line or line of reflection. You want to press it down so it doesn't move. So you press it down and then you flip your tracing paper. Now when you flip that tracing paper, you can clearly see that on the mirror line, from the object to the mirror line here, there's just one box. And when I flipped, I can clearly see that there is no full box flipped. It means my mirror line has moved. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure my mirror line isn't moving so that I have one full box when I flip over. Okay, so that's where the mirror line is basically. Okay, so that's it. So now I am going to draw so hard so that when I take off the tracing paper, I'll be able to see the reflected shape. Okay, I mean, you could do it even without the tracing paper, but sometimes just to make sure we get in the right accurate figure, it's better to use it. So once you draw it that way, I mean, it gives you, the tracing paper gives you an idea of where your reflected shape would be or where your flipped shape would be. So if I take that off, you can clearly see that I've got my traced object there and down that way, and then of course you have it down this way as well. You should always use a pencil, like I said, but I'm just using a pen so that it's actually shown out there for you guys. So from the image, this is the image, to the mirror line is one box, and from the object to the mirror line is one box, and you can clearly see how it was flipped. So that's how to reflect a shape.